Juneteenth is a day of recognition that gained momentum in 2021. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. A group called TYM4C, or Time for Change, teaches their youth about the national holiday.
What time is it?
It's time for change!
There's a holiday where it basically celebrates and commemorates 2.5 years after the Emancipation Proclamation was signed. People down in the South and other parts of the country, Texas specifically, didn't even know that we were free. This celebrates the day that they came and actually freed them per the Emancipation Proclamation. And that's really that distinction between policy being signed and it happening in real time. And that's what Juneteenth's really all about.
This organization prepares the youth for the future, teaching them communication and life skills to work with each other and grow their love for service.
It's extremely important to me because it has taught me a lot of different skills, whether it's, in my personal life or in my, just my academic life and business life. It's taught me, business skills, personal skills, communication skills, leadership skills, teamwork skills, a lot of different things like that. So it's really, really important. I feel like every youth should have an opportunity to volunteer with a nonprofit like this.
Students aged 16 through 24 focus this week on the importance of Juneteenth, learning how to treat each other with respect, no matter their background.
Growing up, I went to a lot of different schools that weren't as diverse, and I was in a lot of different spaces that didn't have people who looked like me, so it was always different, and me trying to, learn how to act as a person who is an African American, in spaces that don't necessarily welcome African American people.
This group envisions a world in which youth recognize and act on their capacities in their schools, neighborhoods, and communities through filming and advocacy.
Running around for about 4 years, making change in the city, working on policies, making the parks better and safer, going before city council, making movies, films, all that.
Organizers tell me that the group meets every Tuesday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. during the summer. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.